Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Audi A7 Bluetooth. First, make sure your Audi A7's MMI system is fully powered on. Then, on your MMI display, navigate to the main menu. Look for either the telephone or setup option to begin the pairing process. Simultaneously, ensure your mobile device has its Bluetooth turned on and is set to be discoverable by other devices. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Once you're in the correct menu on your Audi A7's MMI, select the option to search for New Device or Add Device. Your car will then begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. When your mobile device appears in the list on the MMI screen, select it. A PIN will be displayed on the MMI. You'll need to enter this exact PIN into your phone to confirm the connection and complete the pairing. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy the full range of Bluetooth features in your Audi A7. Make and receive hands-free calls, ensuring your focus remains on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your phone through the car's premium sound system. The MMI allows you to manage contacts and review call history with ease. If you encounter any issues connecting, a simple restart of both your mobile device and the Audi A7's MMI system often resolves minor glitches. Another effective troubleshooting step is to delete any previous Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car's system, then try the connection process again from the beginning. Also, for those looking for quality, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.